everybody, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to see the pulling power of this little Leslie tanker and do some track cleaning at the same time. I have my heaviest track cleaner. It's a Walthers. It's actually quite a lot of drag on it because it has this stone at the bottom that you're dragging along. And the Leslie is struggling a little bit, but it's actually doing it. I'm quite impressed with this little guy. Just got stuck there a little bit. And the track is dirty, of course, because I haven't cleaned it, and that's why I'm doing track cleaning right now. Not that bad. Straight away here, not too bad. Probably will run out of water in it soon also. Oh, it's got in behind the French field there, and there it goes. Yeah, it's going pretty good actually. Considering that the coupler, is the wrong type, I just have it hooked on there. It's actually pretty good. I'm really impressed with this little guy. We'll let it run for a bit. Actually, I should back it up and bring it back because I think it's running out of water. Because to make this, this is a water-based steam system. I'm gonna see if I can get through here. Well, it's starting to dwindle a bit, and that's how I know that we're running out of water. So I'm gonna put some in it. And you just use this this pipette here. So I'll just put a little bit here. I'm just going to put it in here for a bit. Just a tiny bit. There it is. Just put a little bit in there. Yep, okay. I'll let it go. Yeah, like I said, this coupling is not ideal. I'm not sure if it's lifting the back wheels or not. It could be. I'm really impressed with this little tanker. We're going to go back to the controller and slow it down here. Actually, I'm going to stop it over here. I'll actually just bring it slowly over. Yeah, it's really low on water. I can tell because I just needed more than one drop. Okay, that's good enough there. There we go. Yeah, that's much better. Okay, we'll leave it running and continue doing track cleaning. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.